It's just a couple of repair orders, okay?
That's fine, thank you.
There's no fine, no points, nothing goes on your record.
Right.
All right, Badger, let's hear this custom exhaust we just installed. That's not too bad. I think we did a really good job.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You can't get no better sound than that.
No, no. It just screams race car. Look at this nice little Subaru. I mean, Saturn. What a fancy car. Alrighty. All right, Badger, that was really good. You did a good show. It's nice to be on the side where I can see it for once instead of in the car. Alrighty, I'll record this now because tomorrow morning when it's dark you won't be able to see it, but we got a big fat load on this trailer. It's a mostly car and truck frame, two truck frames, some other miscellaneous stuff, and a little bit of light tin. We'll probably get a mixed price, but we kind of just slammed it all together. But let me see if I can get you a better shot. She's right heavy, close to 5,000 I'd say. But other than that, there's nothing exciting to show you. But anyway, see you in the morning, haul this, see what we get. A couple $100 hopefully. Alrighty, so while the service truck's down, we're going to use the old half-ton Hero here and haul the rest of these cars today, hopefully. It's, like I said in the last video, the one of the trucks we picked up from Freeport Friday. So we'll run this down and like 5 more, hopefully. See how it goes. Badger, your thoughts?
Ah, God damn it, that damn thing.
Oh, hold on. What?
No, you're good, go ahead. Woo! This goddamn thing here. Kill it.
The load you just saw was 4,760 pounds at $6 a hundred for $286. Not too shabby, huh?
Ah,
What are you doing?
trying to pull that pin.
It ain't all the way down. No, there you go. Now it is.
Down it is.
Yeah, the Warhorse isn't as strong as the service truck, so the springs are gonna go way down. Look at that, custom. Alrighty, next up, the Saturn we just got. It's got transmission issues, slips real bad into overdrive or something. Supposedly not worth fixing. We're not gonna see if that's the case or not. Just let it rip, tater chip. If I can get the key to turn, there we go. Oh, dead battery. That's annoying. Okay. While we're waiting on the Badger to bring the, what's the name? They're in the back of the truck, passenger side. Bring the jumper cables. Me and Badger decided to keep the van from the burnout. We cut the cats off already, but we took the back seats out and we got it as our little scrap wagon, keeping everything in here out of the weather from, you know, water getting in there and freezing and whatnot. A little bit of stuff, copper, battery, a couple converters, grass for the ass if you can see in there, maybe not. But anyway, nice little van to run around the yard in. Hey Badger, thanks for the jumper cables. I really appreciate you getting them for me. Man, you sure could have untangled these for me, but that's okay. I wonder what he's walking up there to do. Probably something very productive. Anyway, let me get back to jump starting this car. As you know, whenever I get a junk car that runs and drives, I always destroy it in one way or the other for good content for you guys. Well, this scrapyard sells used auto parts, and he told me, hey man, if you don't destroy them, I'll give you more money. So we literally drove the Saturn into his yard and took the battery out, and he gave us the same $60 as if it was scrap. So from now on, we'll still destroy them for good content. Alrighty, there we go. Number, what is this, 3?
This is number 3.
Yeah, my Acura MDX or something like that. Fancy pants. All beat up, not too bad. Badger, you've been awfully quiet this morning. What's the deal? What's the word, bird?
I don't know. I gotta wait till we see about 2 more of these bad boys go over there. Then we can talk some stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. The half-ton Hero is hanging on really good. We're really counting our blessings here. Alrighty, here we go. Number 4, one of the old dirt cars from when I do a little circle track dealio. Some kind of Hyundai, whatever you call it, maybe. Mashed up in the back pretty good. Badger, your thoughts?
It's garbage.
You gotta give them something. You're starving them here.
Yeah, well, dug it.
Okay, maybe next time.
Woke off no well, nothing under there, did you?
No. Alrighty, here we go. Number 5, the Elantra from the video Hyundai Destruction and Scrap Runs, baby. She's been hanging tough back in the woods. That's the intro, the quick little intro of the rev limiter on the motor with no manifold. But yeah, Badger, give him something.
Yeah, god damn it, there it is. Hello, y'all niggas. What's going on today?
Oh, you perked up after lunch, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Badger was hungry, down and out, didn't have no cobras to eat on.
Right.
Damn it, I'm getting to bed, beginning to get feeling good here now. Yeah. How you guys doing? How you been?
Yeah.
So long, niggas.
Six, last one for the day, last one in the yard, huh? Yeah, good looking Chrysler here, huh? What do you think, Badger?
Oh, hell yeah. We in the rope now. We in the bowl. We in the soup bowl.
Soup bowl?
So long, niggas.
Okay, see you at the yard. Didn't get the video of unloading that one, sorry about that. He was ready while before we were, but there it goes. Alrighty, so we never really finished this video with Badger. Your thoughts? But he seemed extra pissy that day, so I don't know what his deal was. But we ended up getting $440 for the 6 cars, plus I think it was $286 or $298, whatever, for the load of scrap in the morning. So really, we made 7 runs, 6 cars and 1 load of scrap. Not a bad day. The 6 cars this time were $440, and that was $20 more than last time. So nothing spectacular or exciting. But anyway, we did get this in the mail the other day from TC McKee, sorry, and to Jimmy number 1 HMS. So we'll go ahead and rip this open. Ought to be some pretty cool stuff. Now that you can't see our addresses, you bunch of creeps. But let's see what kind of stuff we got. Okay, no more of that. I don't know what this is. Sticky tape, something. Holy cow. Ow. What is it? Oh, magnet. I bet it's a rolled up magnet that says scrap only, like the rest of your stuff. Oh, and by the way, this is from Dumpster Jerry. If you guys haven't seen him or don't know of him by his name, TC, go check him out. Dumpster Jerry on the YouTube channel. On the YouTubes, what would you do? Look at that. I called that one right off the rip. Tater chip. Which way is it? Look at that. There we go. I think that one will go, we'll let it sit out in the sun and soak up the rays so it's nice and flat. But she'll fit. Oh, come on now. Don't be dirty. Anyway, okay. Well, you'll have to see it when it thaws out. But this next one should be a pretty nifty t-shirt. The ones he makes, if you haven't seen them. And I got a maybe a sticker. I don't know. Try not to destroy it. But these are stickers. These are badass. I think they are. Those are cool. Where do we shop at? Kroger. Kroger. Oh, camera's not even pointing at me. I'm standing out of frame. I think they're called bleach art. I don't know, but those are awesome. Looks a little wrinkled. I hope you can see it good, but very nice. Thank you, Jerry. And hopefully, like if any of you guys just saw the little community post I put up, I'm thinking about getting some stickers made. Brass for the ass, Badger for president, stuff like that. So we'll see. Yeah, bud. Yes, I'll be in there in a minute. But anyway, we're gonna get some stickers made maybe, and just try and sell them for, I don't know, the cheapest I can find. For you got to order like 200 before you get a dealio, but they're crazy money. But maybe they'd be like $8 each or something. But anyway, there's the sticker, there's the shirt. Go see Dumpster Jerry's YouTube channel. He's well deserving of it. And then we even got cool stickers, I believe. Dumpster Jerry with a YouTube sign. Where did you get these made, Jerry? That would be cool to know too. I think I was looking on shoot, I don't know, Vinyl Insanity or something. I don't know. First thing that came up on Google search. But anyway, that was wow, 4 minutes of blabbering, probably 2 minutes of cool merchandise from Dumpster Jerry again. But anyway, see you all next